Okay, looking at the 177 text fixture output and where it comes into the 577, and it comes in at P129 at 4 and at the 1, but the 4 is the one I'm looking at right now. I have it connected up there, pin 4, and I have everything set up as it is before. And while it's in neutral, you see it's getting, in the no position, it's getting minus 1.77 volts. Now, we turn up the intensity. You can see it's there. What I noticed was if I change the vertical current division, the voltage changes and my line moves also. And I have this also to 0, but I still have a line there. So definitely something wrong. So I'll put this back to 1, and I'll flip it to measure the resistor, and I lose the thing. So I figured since it does move, let me try to adjust the position, and there it is. But now you can see, if you look real closely, it's a circle. And if I adjust the voltage, so I'm getting something, and the voltage changes just slightly on the thing. But if I change the voltage down here, it moves, and then my voltage changes over there. I have to adjust this up. Position it back down again. So if I go up a little higher in the 9 volts, I lose it on the screen. So, and if I go to 0.2 divisions, I get the voltage shutting off at the collector, but it doesn't, because I have 13 volts there, which is strange. I think that's supposed to say, that says right there, collector supply disabled or vertical overranged. That might be it, might be vertical overranged. Okay, I didn't read that part. So let me go back to where I got the circle back up again. And you can see I can get bigger, and I can also change the voltage. It gets bigger, so I'm getting 25 volts. And at that 100 volts, you can see it's there, but it's all weird. So that's what this is doing right now. Okay, found a couple things that were wrong with it. Back there, that transistor, a 2N222, was bad. So I put a 3206 in there that I had. I put new caps. I put new diodes, soft recovery ones I had laying around. And the one thing that I realized that I screwed up was this yellow connector was over 1 pin to the right. What is that, P524? Yeah, so I had a 1 pin over to the right. And now, as you can see, but I still have, got to do some calibration. My line is still, even though my variable collector is all the way, it's still a little line, it's not a dot. But anyways, having it set up, if I turn it to the 1K resistor, I now get the diagonal. So that's what it was, the 1 pin over and a bad transistor. But the transistor must have went before I moved the thing over, because it wasn't working, and that's when I started moving all the connectors, cleaning them, putting them back, and I must have put it back wrong. But it still wasn't working before that, so it was that transistor. Because now that relay clicks when I turn it on. I don't know if you can see it moving. There we go. Where before it wasn't. So that was it, boys and girls. Thank you.